Mushrooms are fascinating. They grow in dark places. These fungi are delicious. You can grow them at home. Imagine fresh mushrooms. They are in your kitchen. They didn't come from a shop. You grew them yourself. Growing mushrooms is rewarding. It connects you to nature. You learn how food grows. It's a fun activity. And the best part? Freshly picked mushrooms. They taste amazing. Much better than shop-bought ones. Many mushrooms grow in the wild, thriving in damp, shaded environments. These fungi play a crucial role in the ecosystem, breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients back into the soil. However, not all wild mushrooms are safe to eat. Some can be highly toxic and even deadly if consumed. It's essential to be able to distinguish between edible and poisonous varieties. For this reason, it's best to choose cultivated varieties for your home garden. These mushrooms are specifically grown for consumption and are safe to eat. Oyster mushrooms are a fantastic choice for beginners. They are easy to grow and have a delicate, slightly sweet flavor that complements many dishes. These mushrooms come in a variety of colors including pink, yellow, and gray, adding a vibrant touch to your home garden. Each color variant has its own unique taste and texture, making them a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. Shiitake mushrooms are another popular choice, especially in Asian cuisine. They have a rich, smoky flavor that enhances soups, stir-fries, and other dishes. Not only are they delicious, but they are also packed with nutrients and have numerous health benefits. Button mushrooms are perhaps the most common variety found in supermarkets. They are incredibly easy to grow at home and are a great addition to salads, pizzas, and more. With their mild flavor, button mushrooms are versatile and can be used in a wide range of recipes, making them a staple in many households. To start growing mushrooms, you'll need to gather some essential supplies. One of the easiest ways to get started is by purchasing a mushroom growing kit. Alternatively, you can create your own setup from scratch, which can be a fun and rewarding project. A mushroom kit typically includes everything you need to get started right away. Inside the kit, you'll find a bag of growing medium, which is essential for mushroom cultivation. This growing medium is where the mushrooms will develop and thrive. The kit also includes mushroom spawn, which is crucial for starting the growth process. Think of the spawn as the seeds of the mushrooms, initiating the growth cycle. If you decide to make your own setup, you'll need a suitable container to hold the growing medium. A simple plastic tub can serve this purpose effectively. Next, you'll need to prepare the growing medium, which can be purchased or made at home. Common materials for the growing medium include straw or sawdust, both of which work well for mushroom cultivation. Finally, you'll need to add the mushroom spawn to the prepared growing medium to start the cultivation process. Section 4. Cultivating your own fungi delights. Growing mushrooms is easy and incredibly rewarding. Not only do you get to enjoy fresh homegrown mushrooms, but you also gain a deeper understanding of the fascinating world of fungi. First, you prepare the growing medium. This is the foundation for your mushrooms, so it's important to get it right. The medium can be made from a variety of materials, such as straw, sawdust, or even coffee grounds. You need to sterilize it. This kills any bacteria and other microorganisms that could compete with your mushrooms for nutrients. Sterilization is a crucial step to ensure a healthy and productive mushroom crop. You can do this with heat or steam. Both methods are effective, but steam sterilization is often preferred for its thoroughness and efficiency. Once sterilized, mix the spawn with the growing medium. The spawn is essentially the mushroom seeds, and mixing it well ensures that the mycelium can spread evenly throughout the medium. Put it in your container. This container will serve as the home for your mushrooms as they grow and develop. Cover it to keep it dark and humid. Mushrooms thrive in environments that mimic their natural habitats, which are often dark and damp. Mushrooms need moisture to grow. Mist the container regularly to maintain the right level of humidity. This is essential for the mycelium to develop and for the mushrooms to fruit. Keep it in a cool, dark place. Temperature and light conditions play a significant role in the growth of mushrooms, so finding the right spot is key. After a few weeks, you'll see small mushrooms. They are called pins. These tiny mushrooms are the first sign that your efforts are paying off. The pins will grow quickly. With the right conditions, you'll be amazed at how fast they develop into full-sized mushrooms. Soon, you can harvest your mushrooms. Enjoy the fruits of your labor by incorporating these fresh, homegrown mushrooms into your favorite dishes. Happy growing. Section 5. Tips and tricks for mushroom growing success. Here are some tips for growing mushrooms. Keep the temperature consistent. Mushrooms like it cool. Don't overwater the growing medium. It can lead to mold. Harvest your mushrooms at the right time. They should be firm and plump. Cut them off at the base. Growing mushrooms is rewarding. It is easy and fun. Give it a try. You'll enjoy fresh, homegrown mushrooms.